On this episode of Spending Time with the Merchants, we're going to show you how to make buttermilk pancakes. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's get to it. Okay, you need to get a cup and a half of flour. Put that in there. Then we need a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, okay, and then we need 3 cups of buttermilk. There's one. There's 3. And then we're going to need 2 eggs. Just put that in the sink.
You don't have to hold this.
And try not to get any shell in it. Okay, we're going to stir this all up real good, and then when we come back we'll have the griddle and we'll cook it. Okay, we just got it all stirred up and we're ready to start cooking the pancakes now.
I can't wait until these are done. Probably spread.
We're going to go ahead and cook them up, and when we come back they'll be ready to eat. Okay, we're back. We have them cooked and this is what they look like, and they sure are good. If this helped you in any way, maybe you think somebody else would like it, please share, and we thank you.